Hi guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to Beauty by Chick. So today I'm going to be doing can you guess? I'm going to be doing a foundation review and comparison for, women of color, brown girls, black girls, dark skin girls. I'm going to be doing a comparison review on these foundation. They're drugstore foundation, basically to show you, talking about the pros and the cons that I'm encountering with the drugstore foundations that I've been using for the past year. Many of these foundations are very popular, but of course, like with regards to review for women of color, it's always a little bit different just because it's not always easy finding our shades, though this is the 21st century and so many things have changed. And yes, girl, we can find makeup for ourselves inside the drugstore, but it still can be difficult for some people. So I'm going to be sharing the pros and the cons that I've encountered with these foundation. I want to say that I've been using for the past year because there are two that I just got, like this one, the NYX. I just picked this one up about, I would say maybe 2-3 months ago. You can see that it's been used quite a bit. So I do have, a little bit to say on it because I have tried it many times. Then I had gotten this one somewhere in the midst of this year, earlier, beginning of the year or something like that. And this one I'm highly familiar with because it is honestly the first among the bunch that's been out and I feel like it's been well proven. So with that said, all three of them are, I think, on the matte end. They all have a matte finish because I have combination to oily skin and I have experience with all of them. So I'm going to share my thoughts with you guys. So I'm going to begin with the Maybelline Fit Me because it is that's the back. This is the Maybelline Fit Me one. It's the one that I'm so familiar with, and basically I just want to kind of tell you guys just my thoughts and my experience with it so far. I think I've done a review on this channel about this one already, so you guys already know this is my baby. It's honestly an amazing buy. It's worth every penny, if not more. I'd probably pay twice the price for this, considering it's a drugstore foundation. It is really, really good. It's good coverage. You need a small amount. Really good. It's long lasting. It lasts all day, especially in the summer, given that I'm a combination of oily skin. So in the summer, your makeup be doing some stuff and it stays where it needs to be with this. So I'm pretty pumped about that. I don't have any complaints about it. That is A1, and I will touch base and I'll let you guys know, like I said at the end, which one is still my preferred choice. The next one that I did get following the Maybelline Fit Me is this Maybelline Super Stay. It says it's full coverage. Now it's kind of funny because although these are like sisters, because this is just supposed to be like a super stay in comparison to this, the shades are off. The shades are different. Like this one is 356. Like, why the heck said a 356? Why didn't we just stick with the same shades that's in this one? I'm confused. So the shade for this I find to be a little too yellow for me, but it is the closest one inside the whole makeup line or the whole foundation line that it would be close to my skin, given that I'm a 355 in this one. So Maybelline, I'm not sure what's up with that. I don't quite get it. Can we fix that? But once again, price is right. It wears really well. Don't have too many complaints aside from the fact that the shade is a little off. It's yellowy. It does wear longer. It is definitely a little matter, but none of their foundation that is matte has it's never left me feeling ashy or dry, like have my skin feeling dried out. So I would still say this is pretty darn cool. It's I'd say it's pretty darn good, but I would probably try to get the shade straightened out. I also don't recall seeing as many shades. I don't know. I can't recall for sure, but you can see, guys, I've used the entire bottle. So I did like it. I really wanted to test it out. I tested it to its fullest, and it's good. It's a great foundation. The color gets me just because I don't want to walk around looking like K-Face. I don't want to walk around looking like, why is her face looking all yellow? So I'm just not sure about this. And I don't want to buy two. I hate having to buy two of every foundation, like to try to find my exact, found my exact color. And with this, I'm Gucci. I don't have to do anything, and this has been working. So yeah, moving on. So the next one that I just discovered is this NYX one. It's called Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Ooh. Yeah, this is an actual good foundation. My color is sienna. It's banging. It works well. Goes on fast. I feel, oh, I did forget to mention, I think with this one that I use, you have to move fast because it's so matte and it dries really fast that you just want to make sure you get it on and, you know, it moves still. But this one is really, really good. It's full coverage, far more full coverage, I would say, than both of these from what I've experienced. You don't need a lot. A little does go a long way. And the shade is on. I do like the pump mechanism as with this one. You know, I do like the pump. However, when you do get to the last bit, I feel like I'm wasting a lot of product, and I'm not quite sure if I can take this off. It seems like it's gonna be rather messy, so we'll see if we can do that. But honestly, there's a chunk of foundation down here that I might never get to, and I'm sure we will encounter the same problem when we get there with this one, because the pumps can only do so much. It's good for when you've got a full bottle, but when you're getting to the bottom, you'll be wasting products. That's how those companies get you. They get you so you don't have to, you know, before you even use up the whole bottle, you're already at the store trying to pick up the next bottle. But overall, this is a great foundation. Like I said, you don't need a lot. If you need heavy full coverage, honestly, I'd go for this one. The only downside is at my drugstore, I didn't see a huge range of colors or shades, and I was even told by the the beauty consultant who worked there that it's so new that they don't have a range of shades yet. So that's the only downside at the current moment, is that us women of color, we come in very different shades. We can be dark skin, there's light skin, I don't even know where I'm at. Like, I'm neither super dark nor light, so you can see what I'm talking about. There's like a huge array of shades, and so one shade does not fit us all, and NYX is gonna have to work on that. I'm sure they're working on something, because they never discriminated against us. They are always here for us. So be on the lookout. If maybe where you're at, you might even have these shades available, but I know at my drugstore, it's just not there yet, and that's something we're gonna have to work on, because us sisters need a little bit more range. It's not working. So overall, great foundation. So now the verdict. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, and the winner is who's the winner? I think, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I would probably still stick with my Maybelline Fit Me. Maybe I'm just being biased because I've had it in my possession for a long time before any of these, but I absolutely love this. This is what I'm wearing today. I put this on my face in under a minute. I don't have to work to put it on. I just do it. Almost sounds like a Nike advertisement, but I just do it and I get it on. So there you go. There you have it. This is honestly the best bang for your buck. Now, if you're in Canada like myself, you might try to buy this at Shoppers. Shoppers has this on sale quite frequently. It's on sale for $9.99 there, okay? Their original price, I believe, is $12.99. And disregard my voice, I'm a little sick, but I'm still here for you. The original price is $12.99. However, Walmart, y'all, Walmart loves to hook us, you know, makeup lovers out, and they sell this for $9.99 all the time. And when it's on sale, it's like $6 something. So Walmart is the place to go to find your Maybelline Fit Me. They have them there. They always have my shades. Super pumped about it. Every time I go there, I usually just grab one or two on the go. I always have this in stock because I basically buy two for the price of one instead of going to Shoppers. Sorry, Shoppers, not hating. It's my drugstore, but you know, y'all be pricey. So this is what I'm absolutely loving. You guys let me know, out of all three of these foundations, which one you love, which one you've tried, which one you want to try, and yeah, just what your favorite is. So hope you guys enjoyed this little mini makeup review. I've been meaning to do this for a hot minute now, and I've finally gotten to do it for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're into makeup and you like makeup, and you know, I have a bunch of reviews coming for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share these videos with people you know. So thank you guys for watching, and much love. Bye guys. Bye.